Hey there, future property pros. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to do a title search on property yourself for 2025. If you're thinking about buying a home, investing in real estate, or just want to ensure your property is squeaky clean, this guide is for you. A title search is essentially checking the history of a property to make sure there are no surprises like liens, easements, or ownership disputes. It's a smart move to protect your investment, and with online tools evolving rapidly, you can do this from the comfort of your home. First things first, gather your essentials. You'll need the property's address, the owner's name, and any other details like parcel numbers. Start by heading to your local county recorder's office website. Most have digitized records now. In 2025, many places offer user-friendly online portals where you can search public records for free or a small fee. Step 2. Dive into the search. Use the property's legal description to look for deeds, mortgages, and tax records. Tools like county assessors' databases or sites like Property Shark can be game changers. Don't forget to check for any judgments or liens that might be attached. Things like unpaid taxes or court orders could pop up. Next, verify what you find. Cross-reference information from multiple sources to ensure accuracy. If something seems off, consider ordering a title report or consulting a title company. Remember, while DIY searches save money, they're not foolproof, so always double-check. Finally, once you're satisfied, document everything for your records. This process might take a few hours, but it's empowering and could save you thousands in the long run. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay savvy out there.